Hey, that was great, you guys. Oh, is that tooth still bothering you? Yeah. I mean, it's way better today than it was yesterday, but thanks. Michael's got a toothache. He doesn't want to go to the dentist. He's afraid he's going to get the flu, the virus. He's going to get the corona, the side of limes. He's part of the Holocaust. He's part of the what you call it? The cold demic. All right. Way back when, but I don't know how, you sacrificed my sacred cow. That was then, but this is now. If life's but a stage, and take a vow. When you come down to look at my eyes, and tell me, is it no surprise? When you come down to look at my face, and tell me, is there still a trace of disgrace? Ooh, la, 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 la. Na, na, na. Welcome to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO. Welcome to BOOZHOO Nij Anishinaabe Doog, and welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons. Michael Lyons Nindigenous. Michael Lyons is my name. And today's Ojibwe word of the day is Bezhigo, to be alone. Bezhigo comes from the word Bezhig, which means one. Bezhigo is to be alone. And a lot of people right now are sitting alone under quarantine. And so this song is for people who are Bezhigo. How about what? This is a song called Snow on Skin. And the road is closed, still the car's pulling. Now the day is young, so we begin again. And I shut my eyes to what might be a cool recess beneath these old pine trees. I don't remember where I've been. past dissipates like snow on skin, and it's cold outside. Let me in. Our past dissipates like snow on skin, snow on skin. What I've seen, nothing's meant to last, but I can't move forward, and I'm living in the past. But I've come so far, and I've run so fast. How long do I have, and how long can I last? I don't remember where I've been. My past dissipates like snow on skin, and it's cold outside. Let me in. Our past dissipates like snow on skin, snow on skin. Oh, nice. And you have been watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Michael Lyons. This is Natasha.
BOOZHOO!
And this is NANABOOZHOO. BOOZHOO! And I will see you again.
Gigawabamin.
Middlewa. Hoa.
Hoa.
Hoa. See you later.